Hey, welcome to Business and Law with Layla. This episode, I'm going to answer the question whether or not you need to form a corporation to do business in the US. And this is a question I get asked a lot. Do I need to form a company, or what do I need to do legally to start my business? Technically, you don't have to do anything. You can just start doing your business, and when you file your taxes, you just file it as a sole proprietorship or a sole proprietor. And so you don't have to file forms with the Secretary of State or do any of that. You can just start doing business. If you have a partner and you're sharing profits with someone, by default, you're going to be a partnership. But what happens if you want to use a different name from your own first and last name to do business? Let's say you have a jewelry business, you want to call it Bedazzled, and you want to start doing business under that name. In that case, what you can do is you can file a DBA under the name Bedazzled, and that's doing business as. Now, the reason why people do form legal entities like corporations and LLCs is because of all the many benefits these business structures provide for the owners. For example, one of the things that you have to consider is your exposure to liability. So your potential to get sued, basically. And this is something people consider when they want to form either a corporation or an LLC, because these business structures give you limited liability protection. So that's something to consider. Second big reason why people form business entities is because of taxes. You can potentially save a lot of money on taxes under a corporation, an S Corp, for example. So you can start doing business right now, like right away, and you don't have to file any sort of paperwork with the Secretary of State, and you don't have to really notify anybody. You still have to get your licenses and permits depending on what industry you're in. But in terms of forming a business entity, you're not required to do that. So get on up and go out there and do some business, like right now. If you have any questions, comment below and let me know. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot of great videos coming up and you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.